Hello everyone, my husband built me a trellis for roses. So I thought I want to share with you. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. This is the before scene and this is the measurement and the sketch that we intend to do. We will have 2 boxes for roses at both sides, and I intended to grow red Eden climber. This is the one on the right and the red one on the left. This one will be red also later. So this is the box for the rose. Right now it has 4 balls, and you can see the poles longer. The support pole will be hosting 1 or 2 more balls later if we want to. By the time the rose bigger and it needs more dirt. So both boxes have 4 sides, and they are attached to each other by screws, and the pole inside at the corners are their supports.
It is difficult to.
Yeah.
Because we afraid of sun and rain elements, so my husband painted them, and we like white. It's neutral and it's easy to please with any other color. So that's done for the boxes. Now there are 2 units on both sides. So the bottom of it will attach to the box, the rose box itself, and the top unit attached to the side. The same thing, my husband painted them, and the top unit is very simple. 1 2x4 attached by 9 step per 1 foot ball, 2x2, and that's it. The unit's done. Left and right boxes for roses, and left and right support sides and the top. By the time the rose climb up on top, they will cover everything. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share my video for support. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.